Hey, what's up you guys, your boy KriptoVlogs here, and we are back with another video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the previous videos that I have posted. If you guys have, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little notification bell so you guys get notified when my next video drops. I'm trying to do at least a video every 2 weeks, so yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying. Like I said, and without further ado, you know what time it is. Let's get straight to it. Peace. It is time to get this dude on. It's approximately, I think it's like 9 something if I'm not mistaken. I'm recording on my phone right now. Got the pole right there. Yes, I forgot to charge it, but I do have a full battery, and if I'm not mistaken, this dude shouldn't be that low too. It is cold as hell out here. Do got my little man with me. Yeah, it's at 55. I'll be good for a cool minute. It's time to slap on the k04 to shadow. It is a nice, beautiful day out here. I'm gonna take you guys around real quick, just so you guys can see the view that I got. So check this out. This is my view from my backyard. It is fucking beautiful out here. This is my little man cave I got. It's still in the works. It is beautiful. Alright, so call me cheap or call me whatever it is you want, but I had just gotten these when I did the k03, so I'm gonna be reusing them. I'm just gonna copper spray them and slap them on while the GoPro is going on. So let's copper spray the suckers. Alright guys, so we got both of them copper sprayed. This is the copper spray can I used. Got both of them done. But since I'm only gonna use this one right now, I'm gonna slap this on here. Get the turbo on. Let's get it. So dropped it in, had to go down there. So that line that I grabbed was hitting the block, so I had to go down there and move it away from the block, and it gave it more play, and it's in. Now we're gonna try to line this up with my floating gasket here and yeah, hopefully get it on a little bit. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I paused the GoPro for a bit. I got everything on. Now I just need to connect the lines. So, but before that, I do want to delete the EGR. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that better before I finish the turbo. Or let me see, I'll probably change my mind. There's like so much things that I want to do to it before I take it out. I also want to drop it. You guys will also see that on a video. I do want to drop it before I take it out on the street. I did have it slammed. I'll see if I can post a picture of how it used to be somewhere I don't know, right here in this corner or right here in this corner. And yeah, I'll continue. Turbo's basically on. I'm just gonna have to torque him and put my custom bolt holders on place, and yeah, put the other gasket on, put the bolts on. It's basically gonna be ready to turn on. I was gonna take you guys on the trip to go get my oil, but I ended up getting it in Walmart. A lot cheaper than, I guess you could say, Napa or Riley's, AutoZone, or any other place that I can mention. I got this one for the wife because I'm tired of Mobile 1 on the Honda. So I'm gonna try this on the wife's car, and then I'm doing this on Shadow, fully synthetic. I do want the German one. There is one for German cars. I did see it. Not in Walmart though. It was in O'Reilly's, I believe. But they had, the weight was like really low. And I'm not trying to do that. I know I got low miles on my car, but I'm trying to keep it as protected as possible. So 520 sounds cool for Shadow. And we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so right after bomb breakfast, it's time to get this sucker back on. Let's turn the GoPro on, start tying stuff up, start putting the oil line, the coolant line on, connecting the blower hose. I've really been thinking of just putting on these. I've been having them sitting here for a cool minute. This G Plus set. But I probably won't. I'll probably just leave it like that. This is gonna be my stock Bailey, so still gotta fix the engine bay a little bit, take care of this. I don't really like how this looks. It looks nasty, so let's get to it. Put these dudes back on. The little bolt fasteners that I custom made. This is the third time that they're out, so I think next time is gonna change the bolts and everything. But as of now, looks like we good. So it is time to remove the EGR. This one just has 3 bolts. Has one here, and another one up here on the top. Gotta go ahead and remove those, and then you install your block off plate, and the EGR will be gone. And just like that, the EGR is no more. 3 bolts. Also change the thermostat. That's not that hard to do. You just gotta take off that clip behind it. It comes out with the O-ring. I had originally put O'Reilly's one. For some reason, my car was spiking up just a little bit above normal temperature, and I think it was because of this. There was a bunch of residue right there of coolant. I still saved, which I don't even know where I put it, to be honest with you guys. Right here. I still saved it. It was one of these. This one was no good. Been having it for a while on the car. I just didn't notice that it was leaking. So I put the OEM one on, and hopefully that should help out that whole temperature rising bullshit. And turbo's almost on. Just need to connect the oil line, tie that one up, connect the hoses, put the inlet downpipe, and it's finished. I'm gonna do a little bit of engine work, some engine cleaning, because this shit needs it. And then still undecided whether if I'm gonna drop it yet. I probably won't drop it yet, but I will drop it eventually. Let's get it.